Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, boys and girls. I hope you are very fine today and you are ready to start learning English with me, Mr. Frank. Today we are going to create a curriculum vitae or resume by using a Canva as a platform and the templates on the Canva as media. So let's get started. The first, you can unlock your smartphone and open up the Google Chrome on your smartphone. And of course, you have to type on www.canva.com. After that, you will find Canva. Now, you can search the templates by typing on the top of the Canva website page. You can type CV and then search. Now you can find a lot of CV's designs. Or you can also search by using this keyword. It is resume. Okay, so now you find a lot of templates of resume or CVs. You can choose what is your favorite one. For example, we can use this one. Yeah, you can choose the free one, right? Don't use any template with this sign like this, Pro. If you want to use this template, you have to pay first before you start to edit. Now let's choose this one. Okay. Okay, you can change the photo, replace with your photo. For example, this is my photo. Okay, first, if you don't have any photo yet, you can upload files here, choose device, and then you can choose your photo uh, on your smartphone. You can choose the folder here, right? Yes, just like that. Okay. After that, I change my name, Frank Saryanto Khalid, just like that. Font size, okay. Okay, just like that. So you can edit the other text. And then if you want to make this file into a picture or a document on your phone, you can click here, export on the top page on the right side of this page. So you can click download and you can choose PNG or JPEG. So let's choose PNG and then you can click download. All right, it's done. Okay, open. Here it is. So now you have your own CV or resume. So thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.